In this video, I found 5 renewed devices on Amazon that you guys can pick up right now for under $300. Pretty insane stuff on here. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Now, all of these devices are going to be either at $300 or they're going to be under $300. Some of them more under $300 than others. But I think you guys are going to be surprised on what devices you can pick up for under $300 right now on Amazon. And of course, before I start this video, these are the descriptions of those devices. So it says, these devices are refurbished, fully functional, and in excellent condition, backed by the 90-day Amazon renewed guarantee. So you guys have 90 days to return these devices if you don't like them for whatever reason, or they're not working or whatever. So definitely some good stuff. I've experienced some renewed devices as well as some other friends of mine, and they've had a decent time with them. Even my brother picked up the Galaxy S20 recently, and he's had a decent time with that device too. But if you guys want to purchase any of these devices as well, I'll leave a link in the description down below for each of these. So getting into the first device, and this is kind of a wild card already, but if you guys haven't experienced one of those ergonomic devices, one of those flips or folds or any of those types of devices, the first one is going to be the Galaxy Zflip 3, and that is going to be $280, which is the cheapest one that I found on there. But with this, of course, you get a dynamic OLED display. We got Gorilla Glass Victus. We got, of course, a premium processor inside if you're the Snapdragon 888. Of course, we have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and that's for the base version. There are other storage options as you go up in the price, and we have stereo speakers. We also get Android 11 updatable to Android 13, and I believe 14 as well. Alright guys, so getting into number 4, this is a device that we know very, very well on this channel, and I'm sure a lot of you are even watching this video on that device, and that is, of course, the Galaxy A53. Now, I found an option for $214 for a renewed variant. These devices, of course, as I said before, are in really decent condition. Any renewed device that I've ever received hasn't really been scratched or anything like that. They've all been in really decent condition. So you get a Galaxy A53 for $214, and of course this comes with a Super AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, plastic body, IP67 water and dust resistant, an Exynos 1280, which I know some of you touched on that you don't like, but I thought the processor was okay on the device. I don't think it was too bad. 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, Android 12 upgradable to 16. So obviously right now, if you guys get the Galaxy A53, you can update to Android 13, but also this is going to have 4 years of operating system updates and 5 years of security patches. So some insane stuff on the Galaxy A53. That and the A54 are just going to be relevant for a long time. And last but not least, we have stereo speakers on this device. So a decent option for anybody that wants to pick up an A50 series device under $250. Our third pick is going to be for the iPhone users out there. So if you guys are wanting an iPhone, I didn't miss you guys. Definitely put you guys on this list. And I still think this is a decent phone up until today, and that is going to be the Apple iPhone 11 at $300 flat. So this reaches the top of our list. I think this is the most appropriate phone to put on the list because it was my favorite iPhone of all time. Definitely one of the nicer ones. Definitely love the colorways they have on here. And of course, in this device, we have an A13 Bionic chipset, 4 gigabytes of RAM, which it doesn't really matter. It's really decently optimized with that processor. Glass and aluminum build, always some of the best builds on Apple devices right here. We have a liquid retina IPS LCD display. We have iOS 13 upgradable to iOS 16.4.1. We have stereo speakers, and of course, a very solid camera. We can actually record up to 4K. So decent stuff right there. Now coming in the second position, I feel like I'm just gonna end up picking one of these up. I really want to see how decent these are, but of course the Galaxy S21. I didn't really play with this device for that long. I think I played with it at Best Buy and I checked my friends out, but you can pick up the Galaxy S21 renewed right now for only $223. And with this, of course, we have a dynamic AMOLED display, a 120 Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. This is not expandable storage, sadly, but we do have a Snapdragon 888 inside of here, 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. So we are on Android 13 with the S21 as well right now, but this is fully GSM unlocked, just like every other phone on this list. You can put it on Metro by T-Mobile, any GSM carrier. Really good stuff right here though. I want to check out the Galaxy S21. And if you guys want me to pick up any of these devices renewed and review them on the channel, let me know in the comment section down below. And last but not least, I kind of broke the rules right here, but just because Google is having a sale again, and that is the Google Pixel 6a for $299. So you can get this brand new on Amazon right now. This is not a renewed version. Honestly, if we were just doing a renewed list or whatever, I would place the Galaxy S21 at the top. But since the Google Pixel 6a is on sale right now for $299, we'll put that in the #1 position. Of course, brand new on Amazon, Google Tensor chipset, IP67 water and dust resistance. We have 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, Android 12 upgradable to 13, and I believe we had 3 years of OS updates when this came out. I believe they told us, so we can go up to Android 15, so that's pretty decent. And of course, we have an amazing camera in this device, the best that you're going to find at around this price tag. But let me know what you guys think about this list. Have you experienced renew devices before, and how have they been? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let everyone else know. But hopefully you guys have a great day wherever you are. This has been Zflip from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.